Welcome to the Arazy Group's regulatory update. In today's update, we are going to give you a regulatory wrap-up in Mexico that will include the latest regulatory changes outlined in the Medical Devices Supplement 5.0, which was published on May 10, 2023, and came into effect on July 9, 2023. The second update we will discuss today is the Noem 241 SSA 1/2021 for Good Manufacturing Practice, GMP requirements. This regulation was initially published on December 20, 2021, but these requirements became enforceable starting from June 20, 2023. The first major update in the Medical Device Supplement 5.0 is the introduction of 11 new general methods of analysis for medical devices, also known as MGA-DM-1. Most correspond to the biocompatibility tests harmonized with the ISO 10997 standard family. Two correspond to the recognized essential principles of safety and performance of medical devices based on ISO 16142. 1 MGA-MD focused on gamma spectroscopy, which will be very useful for establishing and verifying the specifications of radiopharmaceutical monographs. 1 MGA-MD that establishes metrological traceability of the values assigned to calibrators, control materials for accuracy, and human biological origin samples is aligned with ISO 17511. Next, we have the complementary provisions of the standard Noem 241 SSA 1/2021, which pertains to Good Manufacturing Practice, GMP, requirements. 1. In this regard, a new chapter on the sterilization of medical devices has been included, which is more specific than the guiding publication of the FEUM, Federal Executive of Health Regulation in Mexico. It describes processes such as dry heat, biological indicators, ethylene oxide, and radiation. 2. An appendix has been added to support stability studies more significantly. 3. Furthermore, Appendix 5 has been updated, corresponding to the application of risk management to medical devices per ISO 14971. 4. A new appendix, Appendix X, has been developed, which incorporates the technical documents developed for software as a medical device. Additionally, the Medical Device Supplement 5.0 includes 7 new specific monographs. 1. Oxygen Concentrator 2, Surgical Masks 3, Portable Non-Invasive Automatic Electronic Sphygmomanometer 4, Containers for Sharps 5, Needles for Blood Collection 6, both single and multiple, sterile and disposable, and 7. Neonatal incubators for transport and hospital use. Lastly, the Medical Device Supplement 5.0 encompasses several additional updates. These updates include 1. 3 general methods of analysis for medical devices. 2. 72 specific monographs for medical devices. 3. 6 appendices. Appendix 2 has 12 new rules for the classification criteria of medical devices, previously 23, now 35. Appendix 3 is an update on the legal foundations and harmonization of documentary requirements for registration, modification, extension, and update, as well as the incorporation of new definitions, such as software as medical device SAMD, Point 7, and Appendix 4 is an update in the grouping criteria, introduction of the concept of kit, set, package, and updating of grouping criteria for systems and dental supplies. Do you want to register your products in Mexico? Consider LicenSale, our global medtech registration management system for fast and easy market access. The Noem 241 SSA 1/2021, which outlines GMP requirements, was published in December 2021, but just came into force in June 2023. 1. The purpose of this standard is to establish the minimum requirements for the processes of design, development, manufacturing, storage, and distribution of medical devices based on their level of risk, in order to ensure that they consistently meet the quality, safety, and functionality requirements to be used by the end consumer or patient. 2. This standard is mandatory in the national territory for all establishments dedicated to manufacturing medical devices, packaging warehouses, storage, and distribution of medical devices. 3. It will help to comply with the regulations of the medical device. Supplement 5.0 related to GMP. That's it for our update today. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to email or call us. Check the contact page on our website for an office near you. Follow Arazy Group on LinkedIn to view other countries' regulatory updates and the latest advancements in regulatory affairs technology. Stay safe and keep well.